Hey everybody, it's Ryan. And what I have here are some cleaning wipes. These are pet grooming gloves. You can tell here they like the smell. That are on the El Natural. They come in a pack that's resealable like this, and it's like a full-blown glove. And they're the easiest thing to relate these to is kind of like a wet wipe, if you will, but it's like a full-blown glove. Check this out. So what you can do is you can pet your dog, cat, whatever animal it might be, and it's damp. It's definitely damp, but it could be used to cleaning the rear end, cleaning the paws if they go out and they get dirty. And it's all El Natural. It includes vitamin E and like natural like oatmeal. These are gloves, kind of a one size fits all, and they look like this, and they can be used for like cleaning. And so if you're looking for a pack of resealable, they're like wipes for animals. They're made specifically for animals. These are really, really cool. And as shown, the animals actually kind of like it because it has that oatmeal scent to it, which I guess for whatever silly reason they like.
Now, full disclosure, this company sent these to me and said, Ryan, give us an honest review. Tell us what you think, and do the animals like them?
Hope this answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.